Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your international health insurance with ISO, full guide step by step clearly. To recover your international health insurance with ISO, begin by gathering your relevant documents. This includes your insurance policy number, identification, and any supporting medical records. Visit the official ISO website to access their claims section. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log in to your account using your credentials. Navigate to the claims submission area on the website. Fill out the required claim form with accurate information. Attach all necessary documents, including invoices and receipts. Double-check that all information is correct to avoid delays. Submit your claim electronically through the portal. Once submitted, make a note of any confirmation number provided. You will receive an acknowledgement email confirming your claim has been received. Review the estimated processing time stated in the email. Monitor the status of your claim regularly through your online account. If additional information is requested, respond promptly to prevent further delays. Once your claim is processed, you will receive an email with the decision. If approved, details regarding the reimbursement will be included. If your claim is denied, carefully read the explanation provided. You can appeal the decision if you believe it was made in error. Follow the instructions in the email for the appeal process. Be prepared to submit additional documentation if needed for the appeal. Keep records of all communications with ISO for future reference. Once your appeal is resolved, maintain copies of all documents for your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.